Hey, I am Dr. Abrar Khalak from Civil Designs, and today we are going to learn about data shortcuts in Civil 3D. So, what is a data shortcuts and why do we use it? A data shortcut always used to share and reference Civil 3D objects such as surfaces, alignments, and profiles between different drawings without recreating the original object. This is especially useful in large projects where the same design data needs to be used across multiple drawings. Before creating a data shortcut, there are three important settings we need to understand. You can see on the screen that first you can see the set working folder here. This defines the main folder where our data shortcut projects are stored. The second, set data shortcut project folder. This selects the specific project folder within the working folder that we want to work with. And third, new data shortcut project folder. This is used when we want to create a completely new data shortcut project folder for a new project. So the key difference between the second and third option is simple. Set data shortcut project folder, select an existing project folder, while new data shortcut project folder is a create a new project folder. So from here into the prospector tab, you can, when you scroll down the below, you can see here the data shortcut. Now here I have the existing project here. Here you can see the surface, you can see the alignment, you can see the assembly, you can see the profile and different things. Now what I want to do, I want to create a shortcut for this surface and I want to use this surface as a reference into the another file. So for that, first of all, we have to create a data shortcut. To creating a data shortcut, as we saw that we have to right click here into the data shortcuts, and first of all we have to set working folder. As you see, when I go here into my desktop and this folder 001, I want to select this folder as a working folder. I select this folder. So my first step, setting the working folder, is completed. Now the second step, I have to decide I want to set a new data shortcut project folder or a set data shortcut project folder. If I am already working in the existing project and I want to create this data shortcut there, so I have to set this data shortcut project folder. But if I am working with the new data and I want to prepare the new data shortcut project folder, so for that I am click here. As I click here, I have to give the same name as a project name. So I am giving the name 001 and set OK. As you see, our two step is completed. Now our last step is we have to select this data shortcuts, right click, and then we have to set a create data shortcut. As I click on the create data shortcut, you can see what you want from this file. I want my only EG surface. As I select the EG surface and set as OK, now my existing round surface is now into the data shortcuts menu. You can see here into the surface EG how it's look like. Now I click the plus icon here to create the new drawing. As I select the new drawing, now I want to show the drawing from this file, the surface file from this drawing to this drawing with the help of the data shortcut. So for that, what I have to do, I go here into the data shortcut first. Here you can see the surface is also there. Whatever we imported through the drawing number one, named as EG. Now you can see here there is no surface. As if I select this EG and say that create reference, if I create this reference and set as OK, now you can see our surface is there. But you can see the difference here. The source file where you can see the surface in this form, but into the file where we projected the data shortcut, the surface here in this new file, you can see the EG surface is look like this, and another denotation is there, which is not in a regular drawing. Now you can see here there is no definition here into the EG. So that's the basic setup you need before working with the data shortcut in Civil 3D. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more civil engineering tutorials and practical civil engineering content. See you in the next video.